guys, this is our part 2. So we just ended the video and do another video. That's kind of silly. Oh girl, the fan.
Nah, bro. It's
7%.
It's
So
7.
guys, my cousin just made a mistake again. So guys, we will ignore you this time because we need to focus. Okay?
Sorry for the noise.
Yeah.
It's because my tablet. I make my tablet into a table.
Guys,
That's kind of silly.
girl.
Sorry, I interrupt you.
So guys, I'm still doing my name. So guys, if you're my fan, what is my name? I put it a lot of time. What's that?
That's a watermelon. It's so obvious.
No, they're coming from outside. So guys, on the part 2 we will get part 3 we will get a room tour here.
Yeah, room tour.
Yeah, it's kind of messy right now. Just ignore it. Just ignore it. Just ignore it. I'm still working on
Oh
it.
my god, it's so hard. It's like my assignment. I have a secret.
What? No, don't say it. It's on public.
Yeah, I know. My secret is I make my homework. I make the dog eat my homework. I mean my test. So
Girl, you don't have a dog.
Where we have. When I was, it's so old, bro. And my dog just died for like a second. I mean, a year.
Wait, we will say you the names of our classmates.
So guys, I'm sorry. That was a joke. Yeah.
So guys, we will gonna end this video and we will gonna the part 2. Oh girl.
Oh girl.
Girl, don't copy that. So guys, I think she's cheating. Guys, I think she's cheating right now.
No, it's just became open. So guys, we need part 3. Bye. Bye.